Alright. I'm back. It is January or February 2nd or 3rd or 1st, I believe. 2nd or 1st. My dog shit in the middle of the street or sidewalk, so I need to go fix that. I'm gonna record myself fixing it so I have proof that I'm a great person. I'm a law-abiding citizen. And I will quickly. These were the slippers I ran in. I ran through the snow that was over a foot deep in these slippers. I ran through with these pants on. I have boots on now, but so I ran in. So that's just there to give you an idea of the things I put myself through. I'm quickly check the date. This might become important. According to my phone, it is February 2nd. According to my computer, February 2nd. According to my iPad, February 2nd. Each say different times. This says 10. This says 9:51. This says, fuck. This says 9:51, 9:52, and that says 9:52, and that says 9:51, so this is probably 10:02. Alright, walk my dog. I'm ready to face what comes to greet me. 2015, by the way. 2015. Alright, Petey. I hope to see no one, because I hate everybody. That's alright. I don't hate everybody. I don't think I hate everybody. Majority of people I mean I don't. Okay, I have an hour and 114 minutes. I've chosen that instead of reading today, I peed right there. You peed right there earlier. But instead of reading today, that I'll just film myself walking my dog. I haven't taken him for a good long walk in a while. I haven't filmed my outside house for a while. You're peeing again. What the fuck, dude? I wish I had clothes. Look how high that is. That snow compared to my dog. Ran through that with slippers on. And I torturously made him run through that. The base of the slush is still on the ground. Definitely have a delay tomorrow. Right, Petey? Right, Petey? Oh, my hands are fucking cold. It was like 17 degrees outside, but it felt like 2 degrees. Something like that. Hey, Petey. Alright, closing this thing. Now this thing is pretty inconspicuous, except that I'm holding something chest level. See that? It says snow root on it. Yeah, snow root right there. Alright. See, the streets are so covered with snow pretty deeply. To hide this fucking thing. Sidewalks covered with snow. Streets covered in snow. Cars coming by, you gotta, fuck it, fuck this car. You can see him if you want, Mr. Tinted Windows, motherfucker. Alright, I have to do something now. Petey, heel. Oh, right there, I dumped snow on my dog earlier. I can't do a fucking thing right now. Just for a view of it. Hey, Petey, come on, Petey. How you doing, Petey? Oh! Petey, come on. Alright, dump snow on my dog. I don't want to be seen as abusing him, even though I'm going to make him repeat this horrible thing of having to go through. There's this shit. I'll pick that up real quick. I'm gonna probably excuse that actually, because I can't open this bag with my cold hands. Oh, fuck. That's fine, I can't. I'll get a majority of it, I believe. There's a lefty in it too. Yeah. Fucking cold. Alright, that's good enough. Let's go pee. Oh, pee. More pee. Sorry. Ran through that with slippers on. Yes, my hands are freezing. They are fucking freezing. There you go. There's proof to something I've argued against before. I think it's actually snowing. Yeah, it is snowing a bit. Huh. Warming up my left hand, gonna switch hands. Gonna now warm up my fucking right hand, which I used partially to dump my dog on. Good pee. His paw is getting cold. Now, I could do it'll be less painful for him, not have him go through that snow again. Because it is freezing to him, but you know what? About that, it's temporary. And it'll only hurt him for a little bit to go through it. The value of going through it is to make just a fun memory of it. And a good memory of him, too. Not just have him sleeping all day. He goes through snow and he's not complaining. It's not like he's whining. Sorry, pee. Yeah. There's my footprints from about 10 minutes ago. His footprints from about 10 minutes ago. Alright, pee. Pee. Hey. I'm putting a leash down. I'm not gonna. Let's go pee. Oh wait, bad time to get blurry. Wait, Pete, wait. Stay. There we go. It's deep. It's fucking deep. Alright, let's go. Let's go, Pete. Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Let's go, Pete. I'm sorry, but hey, come on, Pete. Come on. Pete, come on, Pete. Pete. Come on, Pete. Come on. Pete, come on. Come on, Pete. Come here. No, Pete, come here. Let's go, Pete. Come here. Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Pete. Come on. Let's go, Pete. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Pete, come on. Hey, Pete. I'll give you a treat when you get home. Pete, come on. Let's go. Come on. Pete. Let's go, Pete. Come on. Pete, come on. Let's go. Pete. Pete. Oops, wrong way. Pete, come here, Pete. Pete, come on. Come on, Pete. Come on. No, Pete, come on. You can make him. Come on. You can make him. I'm sorry. Pete, I'll have to try. No, Pete, no, Pete. Hey, Pete. I don't know if I can choke yourself. Let's go. Sorry. Gotta focus through what you can do. Let's go. Let's go, Pete. It's a group effort here. Let's go. Let's go, man. Jesus fucking Christ. Let's go, Pete. Go, Pete. Good boy. You peeing? You fucking. You're not peeing. Okay. Come on, Pete. Oh, fuck. Pete, come on. Come on, Pete. Fuck, okay, Pete. Oh, shit. You are cold already. I'm cold as well. You're very cold as well. Let's go, Pete. Sorry, buddy. Oh, shit, man. I'm sorry. Oh, fuck. Both suffer here. Don't worry, man. I felt that way earlier. Oh, fuck. My hands are gonna fucking fall off. Okay, Pete. Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Oh, my fucking right hand is numb. It's burning and it's getting number. Oh, fuck. Pete, you need to run now. Pete. Let's go, Pete. Come on, Pete. Sorry, Pete. Oh, fuck. Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Hey, Pete, sit. Sit, Pete. Oh, fuck my hand. Oh, God. Well, yeah. But I hope I at least have a delay tomorrow. Alright.